So I'm going to fill these spaces in here, all the ones on the outside of these feather stitches, and do a seed stitch. It's quite simple, so you can either follow the lines on the design or you can just do it totally random. I'm going to do it totally random because it's quite fun. You're just going to do lots of little small stitches. Generally, you can try and keep them all the same size, or you can do them all different. Like I've said before, it's totally up to you. It's all about being creative and having fun. So seed stitch is just lots of little small stitches to fill a space. Try and keep them evenly apart so there's none super clustered together. Try and do them all different directions as well. You can do them smaller than I have if you want. So you're basically just filling out the space. And then just keep going. And that is a seed stitch, and that is the end of that pattern. So again, just try and keep them all fairly evenly spaced, and if you're intentionally doing it, make sure you do them all roughly the same size or do them all different sizes. It's totally up to you. And I will see you next time where we'll be starting the new pattern.